Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is a video of the parts of the water heat these are parts of the water heater that is broken, and I took it apart. So here's the water heater right here. It was a Bosch. As you can see, I have taken mostly everything out of it. So here's the control board. That was fried. It doesn't work anymore. Front. In here, the cold water inlet valve, I took that off. All the igniters, parts of the gas valve, heat exchanger, draft inducer, everything. Hood. And here are all the parts right here. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, right here is the heat exchanger. Yay! This was originally lying like this. Pretty cool, huh? So right there is where the spark igniters, I believe, go in and ignite it. I don't know. There's some sort of like thing. There's some wires attached to that. And in here is like all the copper tubes and radiators and that sort of fun stuff. The bottom there, very, very sharp. I had to wear gloves when I did this so I didn't get cut. So, this part right here is like that, sort of. Of course, it was like screwed on there. So, the draft inducer was like down here. And on the old draft inducer, there was like a cover here, and that blew into it, and the draft inducer was like down here. And on the new one, because we had two draft inducers, this went like this, sort of. And it blew on there. Oof. So there's a fire in here, which is good. It's water heater. I want fire in there. So this is the new draft inducer. This was a variable speed one. You can see there's the control board for it. Part of the motor. Another part of the motor. Like a little fan to cool it down. And there's like a cover. And here's the old one. Single speed. Pretty rusty. There it is. There's the old one. I'm gonna use that. And right here we have the cold water inlet valve. You can see there. Pretty cool. And part of the gas valve. Alright, so this is a different video made by Will Oliver, and thanks for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. Out.